short video on how to adjust and service your air gap fill valve. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to adjust the height of the valve, how to adjust your water level. And following on from that, I'll show you how to disconnect the valve completely so we can service it, and then simply clip it back together, all in the following easy steps. So most systems, you'll have a marked water line somewhere in the tank. It's usually on the back wall. And with this valve, you'll find that you'll install it and you should have the adjustment within this adjusting screw, this grey screw here, to adjust to the correct water level. Turning it clockwise will increase your water level, turning it anti-clockwise will decrease your water level. So you can't see it, but the float inside this chamber is moving up and down when I'm turning that screw. In some instances, you'll find that you will not be able to hit that water line, and we need to adjust the height of the valve up. So we can do that simply by unclipping this. Coarse adjustment, we need to move the valve up. So we can unlock it, we put it up to that point, holding the whole valve and the whole chamber. We can then adjust the height of the valve. We have approximately 1/4 of an inch adjustment for each click, so that we can click it. Each click will be 1/4 of an inch. Once we get to somewhere near the desired height, we can lock that down, and then you use your fine adjustment for your water level. We then need to pull the whole thing out. We can take it out, service it. Serviced it, happy, and ready to put it back together. So there are 2 little tabs on either side, there and there. Simply push those in and then push the valve back so that this tab is then below that stop, and that is free to move. Inside here we have two tabs, and on either side of this stem we have these 2 grooves, so we need to line those up. We push the whole thing, pushing the whole thing down past the seals, and get to the point where the tabs are. You can hear it click into place. Put it back to the height on which it was when we took it out, and then lock the valve back down.